All right, now to some medical news this morning. Men, pay attention. We're going to talk about acoustic wave therapy, what it is, what it treats, and really why it's such a big thing right now that's being buzzed about, because it is different, and it's helping a lot of men this morning. Andrew is back from South Bay Medical to tell us again how this treatment is really, I think, changing lives, changing relationships as well. So good to see you, Andrew.
Yes, thank you. And it is. Acoustic wave therapy treats erectile dysfunction, but in a very different way. Men have taken the pills for 30 years, and it doesn't work all that well, and it causes significant side effects. Now, South Bay Medical Clinic uses the most advanced form of acoustic wave therapy, like you mentioned, which opens up and regrows blood vessels. Erectile dysfunction is a blood flow problem. We're finally treating the root cause of the problem and eliminating the need to take a pill. So we're talking about normal function back in the bedroom. We're talking about spontaneity back into relationships.
And I get it. This is difficult, I think, for people to talk about. So I can imagine when it comes to treatment and actually picking up the phone to actually talking to somebody else, a stranger, about this issue as well, that it can be difficult. But kind of erase those fears if you can for us, and really encourage people, if they are struggling with this, that it's okay to talk about it, and it's okay with this treatment. It could really make a difference.
Yeah, erectile dysfunction is a sensitive topic, and it's a little bit tied to a man's sense of self-worth. So as men, we're hesitant to get the problem fixed or talk about it or even admit it, frankly. So ED generally gets worse when we do that. Here's the thing. Acoustic wave therapy takes all of the negatives out of treating erectile dysfunction. What is embarrassing about ED is, excuse me, honey, let me go get a glass of water and take a pill. That lack of spontaneity and the side effects. This treatment, with just a few short 10-minute sessions at our clinic, can restore the normal blood flow so that when the timing is right in the bedroom, it works properly. There's no embarrassment. It gets you back to your younger years. So if you're experiencing erectile dysfunction, or your man is experiencing ED, you are more normal than you think. This is so common. And the worst thing you can do is ignore it, because the problem generally will get worse.
And treatments are typically quick, from what I understand, right? It's not this long, drawn-out process.
No, it's not. Unlike the pill, which you'll probably be taking for life, this is a few sessions over, generally, a little bit different for everybody, but generally 2 weeks. That is relatively quick. We're talking 2 weeks from now. Get your relationship back, get the intimacy back in the bedroom, and get rid of those pills.
Talk about who this works for, and I know there's been a lot of research done on this as well. And but who is kind of the best patient for this, do you think? How do you find out if you're a good patient?
We're going to have you screened in our clinic by a medical provider to make sure you're a good candidate. But I will say that most men can benefit from more blood flow. The body needs blood flow. This part of the body especially needs more blood flow. Now, the science page at southbaymedicalclinic.com has all of the clinical studies from places like Cambridge showing this is effective. It has a high success rate. It's safe. So the science is sound. They call it a medical breakthrough for ED. We know that this works, and it can be an alternative to the pill.
Yeah. Well, go ahead and encourage people to call this morning. I know you have a special offer that you like to tell people about as well, but really I think it would be worth your while to go ahead and at least talk, at least get more information about it.
Absolutely. Call us now. The number is on your screen. We'll do the initial assessment, exam, blood flow ultrasound with our doctor, totally free. We'll throw in a little special gift that produces instant results in the bedroom. This is a $500 value. We're going to do it totally free to everybody that calls us right now. Let's put a stop to that ED.
Andrew, thank you so much for your time. And of course, we were showing the website, a number it'll go on our website too, so it's easy for people to find. Take care, Andrew.
Thank you.